Big up Crossy Stevie.
This is Stevie up here.
Why y'all trying to lock up? Y'all gotta do better.
I know what the man say about lock you up, what me say to him.
You
Me
can't
say, you
take
eat that,
so much
or
shit.
you lock up the woman, and the woman have one whole leap, a bumbo clad text with your threaten her. When you go into the police station, bring that with you.
I didn't leak that picture. It my people in the argument and the girl leaked the picture. Take it.
Okay.
That ain't had nothing to do with me. Y'all always trying to lock me up. Why I stay away from people? As if I go, if I raise my head, 911, this big bitch is coming.
Okay.
This is why I stay away from you motherfuckers. I will beat y'all on the net every time. But every time I say it's crazy, I need y'all to tranquilize this big bitch. Y'all always do it. And I don't even be bothering y'all.
Wait a minute, like,
Yeah.
Put the
Me,
liquor.
oh.
your girl,
Oh.
who's beating me now? What's that on me?
Oh.
On me. Come in, me drink a cool over that family.
Over Billy have. What do you mean over Billy the pan?
No.
So
No.
Billy there?
Chevy.
It's not easy.
Chevy.
You
Oh
turn me off now.
God.
You know, me keep on that tell him. You think I joke?
The
That's what me
man,
said him for that.
Yeah, one.
the man say I'm going to call police and take me to court and do all this shit. And the
Where's the
man
man?
forget how much threaten on social media. So
If you
he's
turn
just
her, she
going
got
to
Jamaica,
do
must
that.
send man come kill her.
They and now when I react, you telling me you gonna call a paw hall?
I like him. If you got them there, cause Dora screen the card the whole of them with the voice note around and everything.
I ain't understand that one. So I was just like, y'all always trying to get me caught up. And y'all the
Quarter.
one who's starting with me. How the fuck you gonna call the boys on me? You wanna smoke me? You
when you
calling
the
the
one
popo hoe on me and I'm
when
supposed
you
to
the
be
one
calling
threatening me.
you threatening me. You motherfuckers is weird on the internet. Don't call 911.
Yeah, go ahead.
But bro,
Why?
the nigga said he gonna smoke me. How you gonna oh you being gangster? Yeah, I'm street. I'm street. You wanna win? Just say po. This bitch is I done. I finished. Just say poo. 5, 12. And yo, squatty. This bitch is first thing, Mr. Hotball. Jesus Christ. Oh, let's go.
Hey, Dora, eat that.
No. What the fuck? I'm like, how you going? I'm the one that supposed to be calling the police. You just say you gonna smoke me,
Dora, eat that.
nigga. How the fuck you calling the cops on me? Nigga, you just told everybody on social media you gonna pop my big ass. Now when I retaliate, oh this bitch crazy. Oh this bitch is this. Oh this
Dora,
bitch
eat
is that.
that.
Leave me alone. You just said you gonna smoke me. How the fuck you gonna use the boys in blue on me and I'm supposed to be calling them niggas like this nigga trying to kill me? That nigga flipped the script.
No, I don't do a bestie. Remember, I said the people that were in my ward, they were in my death that were Dora. The Dora does play in their face. I did. You know, tell people that she a war. I'm not in warfare war with him.
Bro, I ain't never people, this is why I try to let me go so one time, just go so. Everybody like, yo, this bitch, yeah, come get this bitch. This bitch come get this bitch. But you just told me you gonna pop me. So I be confused as fuck what y'all want me to do. Y'all want me to defend myself?
Yeah,
Or
you obviously. Yeah. Remember, say, in the team up with Nana across Dora. Remember, good. In the
I
team up with Nana across Dora. So now, when him and Nana catch up, guess what him do now? Dora and more about life. So him see like him a burn up Nana now, but him jump off in him live.
Bro, y'all really
You
didn't
understand?
remember all this shit that was going on?
Yes, him team up over there so with them against the same person where him and them supposed to be on team.
So you mean say the enemy them are war against each other, then me no must go for them
So,
and laugh.
yeah, but him should have been more militant than that. Because him and the girl, the team up argue with you, so him should have joined alive with you.
They're not arguing with me, cause them not talk facts. Me apart
No,
them lies.
I don't say dog fact, but everybody see where I'm going. They're supposed to hold the line, no matter what.
Girl, that nigga told Nikki he was gonna lock my big ass up. 911 come tranquilize this big
Yeah.
bitch.
Well, I know some people could have confused. Listen, remember, Dora and Nana are not friends, right? Dora and Nana always are go at it. Notnice used to be with Nana, right? So remember now. Remember, Dora, if he get Dora from when he might call Lava phone, Lava is not answering him because the Lava out for reason. So if the Lava out the road,
I'm telling you a lie right now. So him say Lava out the road and him try to step for ask Lava why Lava not answer him, but Dora interrupted it. Dora jumped right in the middle, right? And say him can't talk to Lava, so him upset over that. So that just caused the bitter blood between him and Dora. Where him just go for Dora and angry with Dora and the whole nine. Remember now, when him and Dora click up now, remember I said him draw for the one named Nana. Him draw for him back at him Nana. Remember when Nana and Dora catch up, remember now, him always on Nana's side. Okay. The table turn now, and him and Nana catch up. So when him are right there and so nice, you get it now. So when him and Nana catch up now, and not cheer up each other on the internet now, he move to Dora, which him know Dora and Nana are enemy. You understand? Him know Dora and Nana can be say him and Nana they go live and trace Dora. So now him remember you know, me and your friend, you know, and I me and Mr. This girl, you know, and as me catch up what me do, go friend the girl, he go against you. So you know that's some bitch ass
Bro,
move.
but bro, I ain't even do
You
nothing
know
wrong, Nikki.
that's
All
some
I did was
bitch ass
laugh.
move. So Dora now, don't run him. Dora accept him. Pan the live, he go against the same enemy when they team up with against she. Because she still don't want a friend from him. So Dora play the Monopoly. Dora play the Monopoly real well.
I don't play to lose. I am a winner. I don't lose. This internet shit, we on the ground, bro. We on the ground.
You see me?
Can't beat me.
So Dora them at him now. They hot up mama head now over there, so. Because how the fuck you have a team up with my biggest enemy? You see me? So that's what.
All
Yeah,
right,
chestnut
chestnut
checkers.
checkers.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
going back in a Michelle. Because
Yeah.
y'all not finna make these boys tranquilize this big bitch.
Yeah. So that's the game that Dora play. You see me? And then him now, that's what everything what Dora say about the people them, him come back talk the same thing.
Him come back, make the people them know say I don't tell lies.
And then the same thing that Dora say about him, she come back confirm it.
And the two of them and them up each other and hear the people them. God is good. Dora was telling the truth the whole time.
So when him now jump on Dora live think it's for good.
I was more live. I'm missing them.
You're supposed to hold your line.
Boy.
Cause me and your friend today. What? And me and your wife Dora. If me and Dora kick up tomorrow, me not supposed to friend you and go for Dora.
Mr. Boss, hold my line.
Hold your word. Nothing
And
with
then
them talk.
here come me, no Jay. Think he would have been loyal to me.
I mean, I tell Nikki I laugh about this man and them not hear me.
Remember now, when nearly the catch up, I didn't even talk about the shoes. When I said, then I come back, come talk about the shoes.
And the shit
When me
backside.
talk about the boxers, when I say Nana come back, come talk about the boxers. When me talk about the Burberry shirt, when I say Nana come with the picture for the Burberry shirt.
Monkey face. Hey,
Remember when me and him catch up, and Nana him can't come for set for me. And it never worked.
me say, Jay, all me I tell Nikki, careful. Nikki, no money, what the Nikki street
Then I keep
naked.
on telling Dora man. Said no, Dora man, me different. I thought I was different, boo.
Yeah, no pickles. Me said, Jay, I tell her, hey, me, I said, stop it. This nigga here gonna bite you. Stop it. No, Dora, I am the, oh, yeah. Oh, you different, all right, nigga. It's just a
Hey,
nigga.
hey,
Different.
hey, is it where we shame? Is it everybody will defend him too? Because call everybody one time. So we can get the one you fucker you. So we couldn't get it in pieces, we just get it one time.
You fucker.
We couldn't get the fucker you in pieces here and there everywhere. We just call everybody. So we can get it one blood clot
You
time.
did tell
And
me,
get
no,
it
you
over
know,
it.
I told you.
We just get it one time so we can just herb and get over it.
And some weed? Bro, I could spot disloyalty from far. I could spot conniving from far. I could spot disloyalty from far. You don't show me your character and I forget how your character is.
No man, Dora,
You
how did you?
tell you me and
Dora
Nick,
been give it to me.
sit
Me I
down
tell
and
her.
God
Them never
knows.
know. And me call the whole and never tell them so we can get it one time. I never want a piece of pizza.
Oh, I told
Me just
you.
get it one time. Me just take it one time and done.
I Nikki that Dora, me can't believe it.
Me just say the whole of you fucker you one time and done. Me just call everybody. Me never nobody call me. I make it linger.
Hey, but laugh your fuck.
Me just call everybody. I make them know all the bus and the truck and the plane and the van crashing on my back.
Yo, people, I laugh off of Nikki your fucker. I told you, nigga. Nigga, I told you. And I told you and I told Lava. Y'all don't listen to me. This
But I take the whole like one time. Me never take
She's
it.
stripped naked to save this man's life. And him turn around and I threaten her about gunshot.
I take the whole like one time. I never take a piece of pizza. I take the whole like one time.
You're not listening. No. Sometimes I turn certain things in that joke. Nah.
Because guess what I kill him now? Him used to the arguing and I mean not argue with him.
You can know when a person is disloyal.
And I think my way upon the argue and the back and forth, I'm not arguing with him. I just gotta thank the Lord to cut the grass so I can see the snake.
Blood like that snake was a dark snake. You can't even see me in the night. I didn't just black. Him gone. I'm back up.
Booba, when the snake them move out in life, you're supposed to rejoice the way I'm alpha.
Lady, oh me not, you don't know me here, lady. Me just like a walk around with that look of yard we got. Me want to twist them in my head.
Look how I'm trying to hold up this boy.
Nikki was a nigga counselor.
Yeah, beat him with all of the man business in the mama.
him alone, me tell him business and I never said it to nobody, you know.
Hey, hey. Man said the blood clot do your pussy me the Friday. I'm there Florida. Nikki, come outside. You say, oh.
Me say all the last time before the last time me
Brownie.
go film wicked
Nikki
man.
sit naked for them, man. Yeah. Naked outside for them, man.
Me say the last time they got the last time
And
you
man,
called me, you
someone I
complete.
said the
I'm
woman
not
to
set up, but just listen.
for shut
And
up
me
for
say,
me.
all right, Dora and I get the up to date. But if they are New York and drive for and look for you, you never know say that's time could I drive for and look for you kind I carry live.
Hello.
I'm
Hello.
never
Guys
tell
got
you.
food, man, and him go around.
Mama,
And
me
so
never
you could tell
tell you.
me I might ground in my float road. Remember, a man I might come
But
for me.
you
You have to tell
never
me.
know at that time.
Nikki, I don't have to tell you that on social media.
Is it?
Relax.
Don't lie, you never know.
My fam,
To
it was
listen,
in the shop at
Mama,
Moses. Stop now.
to
Stop
be
now.
here in a course, me know you
After
never
here,
up to
man.
date.
Yeah, man. Come in, I incriminate myself for life.
No, Mama, that's not incrimination. For say
Oh,
when I live.
yeah? You just threatened me, say you're going to kill me. You
When
come
me a
alive
listen
and
to
tell me,
you,
say,
me
me
say
kill
all
you.
news today, Mama. Because my JB never call your phone yet. So you never
You
get the
don't have to
update.
look for Dora. Me live Power Plains Road. You can't find me. I'm not somebody hard to find. So that is
No,
a
Mama.
damn sure
No,
when
no,
looking
no,
for
no.
me.
No, man.
He
Him
know
never
what
find
blocks
Mama.
not
Him
to
just
go
not do that
to.
for Mama, him just not do that for internet.
But I wasn't interneting. That's why I know what the fuck to say. What not to say.
I'm moving the man that practice for style, Mama.
A kung fu movie tell be like, a kung fu. You tell be like.
Mama, I'm moving the man that practice for style, Mama. The man that when they go try for movie, what you call it, the man that audition, Mama.
The blood clot, I say. Me?
What's up, Capone? The man that audition.
Hey.
And you call me a complaint, I've been listening and read. I'm going to call him and I say, brother, what the fuck you all in the fake page for more. When him come in the comment in a fake page, I cuss you. And him call me and I complain for more. And I say, then we and Dora have in a fake page at trouble her. And she not trouble you.
Because I
Then
thought
we
they
start,
were right.
then him start this up, mama.
She are the next you. She ever sorry for him. And I saw the sorry
Then
for
him,
him.
yeah. Come here, say, what Dora do you lately in a fake page? For even Momo, for sure say, the way Momo say now make no sense and do no trouble you. That's why Momo boss you.
I don't trouble people. You
That's
just cannot bully
why
me.
Momo boss you because it never have nothing to do with you. And you come in a fake page and Momo boss you. And when you call my phone, you did dip up off a Momo because I wasn't on that live and I didn't know what happened. Remember when my father come from Jamaica, you know? Remember me never on internet like that, like I spend all of my time with my daddy, you know.
Yep.
So no if I sit there miss me. If me never check my DM Dora, I'm gonna catch up.
Bruh. Sure.
Then later when you're more than my life, wanna see me on it? No, because I
No.
never know. I never knew. You know so me late to the argument. You know so the argument don't no longer me late.
Brother.
It's just I know. Cause my daddy going back at Jamaica, so I'm find time for people now. So me just I know.
Yeah. Up it up. Brothers. Boom. You bite your tongue, you jump it and eat it. Relax.
No, real speak, a real talk. Ask her.
Go
She
ask
know.
Brownie.
Ask her. Me never in a feed them word for a minute.
Who is this? Why would I
Him trying
touch
to
him?
cuss him, him a alien. He
No, me
said
not
sexy
cuss
juicy
you.
Dora.
Hi.
And him say never cuss him.
Who is that?
I don't know, but him not this him a compliment you.
No, I nothing no cussing you, so I'm jolly like I got a lolly in my mouth.
Them not this you.
I'm not
Yes, on the deal. Me not even know. I check the one of my DM. I see it. Ask Dora what time that man me call about 7 o'clock. I Dora never know neither. Cause Dora the people my friend. Cause Dora not interested nothing more than to add this boy upon our life so people can get their feelings. That's all that was.
No, and to prove that everything that I've ever spoke was fact.
Yes. So I saw me get, I saw now me tell her, me da call Nana. So I saw Nana call me back. So I saw me get the whole 100.
Two of the kind. Two of them are the same thing.
See, man, I trouble your lip them, yeah?
But
Sexy K, what's up, boo?
yeah, now reveal yourself, I don't know. Yeah, it's all the people
Balance
that
soldier trouble you.
Who?
Him say, nah, disrespect you no time, Dora.
I don't even know who is talking.
Him say, lip them look nice, and you're sexy and juicy, and him nah disrespect you.
Thank you.
Him say, don't cuss him, nah block him. Block
What me do, honey, do? Why you say me wrong? What me wrong with? Man and man.
Oh, Dora and Uncle do? What Dora do?
You see, me nah no look it up.
Dora play the game. Dora play a wicked game upon them. Cause in a female, him and Dora a friend. Dora does do it to be just, you know? Yeah.
Ever already, you know what's that?
I burn up Dora play when Dora do that. Cause if you notice in the same live, cause them step back and watch the live them. When Dora them add him, when all was said and done, Dora make a statement and say, at the end of the day, I remember I know still no friend. I was like, damn. I was like, damn. Do I make a man speed out the whole I'm good and this the people that wait till the man don't talk? I said, remember good me ain't no friend. I was like, damn. That's if you hold the line. Do I make you have a friend close and me and you cost the people there? And then when you are the people them out, me and the people they catch up, me jump to you, me can't do it, Dora.
He's a blood. And sister swipe and backpack and boots me power. You don't have to try that thing.
Dora, me have to hold the line and wire you till the end. And just know, say, I'm the ex-friend who are still in progress.
No. Me?
Because I don't make you be an enemy already.
Say,
But don't deal with the wicked and make you be an enemy. So there's no way we can blood clot fall short and roll back to your mad. We have to hold my blood clot line and keep the same energy. Right through.
Rule one about me. I don't do disrespect. You see, once you disrespect me, I don't stop talking to you and talk to you back. We done.
So that them to the dance guy, all of them catch up. The people that were made the war, them can't even know the blood clot, holy. Much as we got join the enemy live when me and you done. You're mad no blood clots. You're mad.
Oh,
you're crazy. Nobody feel like me gonna be friend and a roll. I'm gonna pick up the whole argument upon my head and upon my back. And anybody I want me I say, for you award them, me award them. And me award them. And me you catch up. I'm gonna find everybody me award one friend. You're mad no blood clot. I was the enemy from the get-go.
Boo! Yeah.
Anybody get up and do that? You're the enemy from the get-go. You don't sit down and wait for a team build against the person so you can join the blood clot team.
And you and I'ma open my arms and let you in.
Oh, you mean if you open up your life and take in the man?
You know when you go fuck a man when you long time you want for me, you just open up your foot so. Open up, come here. Come here, I'm open up for your blood.
Again, you know for your child you know alive. You know the girl go burn up. And it's a girl where whatever your face you can't turn to. And whatever your face you can't turn to Dora. You know what I mean?
Turn to me if I'm in the name Blaxx Salvation Army. Remember them seven other papers, me no live nowhere. I am the cookie man, so I live in the garbage can. Move your blood.
But mama, remember all of me tell the man me see things and the man still saying other papers.
Nothing.
All when me tell the man me see things them.
Nothing if I don't have you.
Let me tell the people them say me see to me too eye.
Me, I don't have nothing. That's why I stand firm in my spot. I don't drop, I don't bow. Me?
Most of them people are come for intent to cause people, mama. And them don't have the upgrade to people business. Everybody upgrade.
Oh, every time them talk, I'm there, and
I
boy,
all use
Whitney,
them a comment, mama. Them now come with the upgrade.
Whitney, I should get a little nominee for this because when I done the rings, this I have nothing.
Mama, when the man and the wife blood clot left on the wall now, go show the man wicked. Me they are two to the man and tell the man how him can get him papers behind the woman back. And tell him what to do to get it behind her back. Then know so the man call the woman and tell the woman say, me I try to tell him how to get the card behind her back. Then him have sense, woman.
You know, and a shot. Yeah. And I said, tell me I go
Mama,
when you
mama,
talk that,
and then tell
get
the
up and
woman
show her
now,
your shots.
and then no, tell the woman now, me I try show him one way for fuck her up. Me not fuck up the woman, or me I fuck up the woman. Once me I tell you how to get it behind the woman back, you don't need the woman none at all.
No,
Cause
man.
Stevie and Syrup, I'm a pick them up alive, me I tell her the woman tell me. There's no way the woman could have tell me when me really that tell them what to do. There's no way the woman could come and come tell me.
Honey,
And when
do
I call him
no
phone,
yata.
when I call him phone, me never on a trio with nobody. When I call him phone, I'm me and him alone upon the live. I'm me and him alone upon my phone. Me never have no three-way with nobody. So therefore, when the woman tell me there's no way nobody could have tell the woman about him. And when the woman say it back to me, mama, ask mama upon the three-way. And mama give me the three-way the woman because she want to talk to me. When me hear the woman with it, I couldn't blood clot believe. And me I say, Jesus Christ, look what me I tell the youth, something for him own are good. And the man tell the woman, say, oh, me I try to tell him one way for fuck over the woman.
I have
So, oh, you gonna
nothing.
fuck over the woman. Oh, you fuck over the woman if you get the card behind your back, her back. Oh, you fuck over her.
They have nothing.
Mama, I found this, so I should have marked him. Because I not tell you nothing wrong.
Hey, me learn my lesson with him. Every time I tell him something right, I better you tell him something wrong, he will do it.
So, mama, me deserve the thump and the truck and the bus and the plane in my blood clot back.
One thing with my friend, I go all the way
I could have take a strap and beat myself, mama.
Honey, do. This is what they portray.
That
And
means,
this is what I
say,
learned.
me take you as a friend and
builds
me
you and
rate
it
you.
break you.
If you show you one next road, forget your thing.
The internet, it builds you and break you. I've been doing internet since MySpace days. Some of these people come on the internet to play rich, to play like they got it all together. You understand what I'm saying? And majority of them, I know them in real life. If they got
When you say honey, you how much buff me get?
if their
Only for
roaches
buff,
in
man.
their house could come out and tell me their business, much less their so-called friends, I don't have nothing to argue with nobody about. You see, if you better than me, you gotta show me that shit with your shit. Because I know I'm a bitch, I'm confident in myself. I know if I'm better than the bitch. And I'm
Ask
going better
Dora.
than you on one
When
more.
Dora calls, sometimes I complain. Let me say to Dora, me call him.
Oh.
Me always I try break the peace, bring
Oh,
the peace with
every
them.
time he says something, Nikki be like, "You're wrong. What are you talking about? You don't know
Okay.
about the girl."
All the time.
I don't have the time to
And
prove
then,
to you how better of a
now,
bitch I am
and more
than you.
now, really boss him now. For sure say, him really a trouble Dora. Because now when me talk to you, I say, Ray, you make me feel like you done, but you're in a fake page, I try style her.
All
I'm
right,
over boss that.
and then me, will have a head for my body, and a whole heap of ganja me smoking a whole medicine. You know things that me know on the talk. I would have posted there shoot. Watch out, make a shooting down. Brrrr. Shoot them down and dry you out to show your face.
Come on, Dora, some boy don't self-destruct, mama.
Just lick off your face again. Whap you. And say bang, bang, bang. And go sit down again and relax. Yeah, bang, bang. I'm making a come for social media and check off for them all. And make up some story. I'm just different. Which Dora them attack? Who not live in a car, they are shelter. Then who can done me.
Sir. Mama,
Nothing, you gotta come with common sense.
the man said, I don't feel
fuck people when them live somewhere. Cuss people when them live somewhere that no feel said them for live. So if somebody lives in a studio apartment, move your blood clot and live in our dirty studio. All right.
Man, the man said, I feel page.
Okay, they're missing the point.
And when the man a drive
You
up and
can't.
down in a New York about Dora, Dora never know how angry the man was, and I care the man live the woman gonna Panama City long time. And be it you never never say a word to you.
You didn't have to say a word to him because remember he got the people that may complain say him in the ocean, the leather
No, nobody never know the woman gonna tamper left him. No. Nobody never know that woman. When JB take me the whole I'm business and JB never see me ball it out, JB get up and tell Suko. That's when me hear Suko with it, Yanni they don't trace already because me never hear with the up to date Dora. I'm not gonna lie upon you. Me never hear with the up to date. Because if you didn't know the up to date, you'd have ball it out. You've never had the up to date.
Then
And true, me never want to add fire to fire.
yeah,
My
try
bed
to
just
save the
done.
blood clot man seem chose and gas and light your soul for you. Give me the gun, make me boss it.
And when him fix it like so, I say, oh, me go to police station, go look up door, me say that lock up walk on the door, yeah, idiot.
Alright, let me show you
Me say
something.
me, what
Him said
on
the
the door,
same thing and the
what
girl
I know?
do the same thing
Me
to
say lock up walk
somebody
on the door, yeah, idiot.